Calculating the link gap will tell you roughly how many links you need to build in order to break the top 3 rankings for a given keyword. Knowing this is important because once you know how many links you need, then you can figure out how much it will cost to attack any keyword. The process is pretty simple. First, use Ahrefs or SEMrush to look at your target keyword and see if you can find sites of a similar authority to yours ranking in the top 10. If you do, then you can look at the backlink profiles of each of the top 3 results to try and figure out exactly what types of links are currently powering the top 3 rankings on average. Here we can see the number 1 position is a DR18 with links from 41 domains. But when we click into it and filter by do follow links, you'll see there's only 17 do follow links and only 1, 2, 3, 4 of those have any weight behind them. Clicking back to the results, the number 2 position is a DR60 with links from 20 domains. Again, we need to filter for do follow links only and sort by DR. Here you'll see that there's only links from 1, 2, 3 domains that have any meaningful authority. And the number 3 spot is a DR21 that looks like it has 3 domains, but when we click into it, really only 1 do follow DR56 is powering that. So based on that, we can assume it would take just 4 good links to compete with the current search results if our own page had 0 links at the moment. That is how you calculate the backlink gap. Ultimately, what you want to arrive to is a list of currently ranking keywords that are commercially relevant to your business, along with an idea of how much it will cost to attack each of those opportunities. With a bit of practice, you can eyeball this pretty well. For example, with this keyword, while the number 1 position is occupied by a DR66 and 23 domains, when you click into it, there really are only 1, 2 meaningful domains, which is pretty easy to win the page level link battle. This is also evident by the fact that you have lots of different DR sites ranking with 0, 1 or 2 links. So that means that you could estimate that if you were to build just 3 or 4 solid links, you would get good results on this keyword. If you look at this keyword, you will see that the number 1 is a high DR72 supported by 20 links, but only 11 of these are do follow and only 1 of them is particularly strong. You can also see many relatively low authority sites ranking with 1 or 0 links. So depending on your site's DR, you could easily take the number 1 spot with 2 or 3 good links here. That is how you decide which pages to build links to, whilst also knowing how many links you need to build at what cost with ROI in mind.